welcome to VBookmark Photography. This is your Arvind. Yet again, we are here again on one more shoot as we always do. You know, we guys always go hunt for people who are really dedicated and the progress. So we found somebody very interesting here. Meet Mr. Himadi Adhikar.
Hi, hello everyone.
And he's an ex-Indian Air Force and a pro-grade bodybuilding coach. And meet Razia Khan.
Hello.
She's going to be our model today. Sir, thanks for being here and giving us an opportunity to shoot Razia. And see, we were very much interested in asking for a Razia shoot because we see a lot of potential and a natural bodybuilder.
Yes.
These days, we don't see much on most women coming in front and doing bodybuilding and things. Basically, we wanted to show people and encourage women on empowerment.
Definitely.
So that is when Razia actually came into the picture. So what do you see in Razia and how do you come up in this bodybuilding and what's your experience in training up Razia?
Well, I was in Indian Air Force for 20 years. After that, I have taken PRS, voluntary retirement, and I am a pro level athlete, as he has already told to you. So I have been training so many students past few years. So national and international level athletes, Razia is one of them. She is very hardworking, dedicating, and she is really, I am proud of her in fact actually, because nowadays you see women are not coming up for the fitness and all. At point of her actually that I must tell something that she is creating some example in front of everyone. So if you think you can achieve anything, so it's not about the ladies, women or men. Anybody can do. If she can do, anyone can do.
That's really good what you're saying. That actually fact that anyone can come up in life.
Yes.
Today, if you see people, a lot of people are mad about getting into fitness and everything.
And one more thing I just want to add in, like in this pandemic situation, everyone is like confused. Everyone is scared of going out, doing workout and all. But I must say something. While doing workout, we can increase our immunity through the workout. So it will in fact help us to increase the immune system. Okay. So I will tell everyone, come up, do a lot of workout. At least you do half an hour, 45 minutes workout daily basis, and you sweat, you breathe, and you will be increasing your immune system.
That's a good input actually. And anything else, Razia, you want to say the way she is bodybuilding?
Definitely.
What competitions?
Definitely. Actually, when she started, in fact, I didn't expect that she will be coming up to this level. Really, she is very much hardworking and dedicated. Whatever I tell, she just follow it. And this is the most important part, I must say. When you are listening to your coach, your guide, your mentor, you will get 100% result. If it is 90% or 99%, you will not get the result. But I am really proud of her. She always listens to me. And whatever I tell, I just tell, she just follow it 100%. And one more thing, we should have some faith on each other. You should have some belief. You should have some faith on your coach, your guide, right? Whatever he or she is telling, you should follow it. And she is one of my students, follows everything. I really appreciate you, and I am really feeling proud of you. And definitely, I must say to everyone, we are coming up with a lot of surprises with her. Definitely this year, coming up, all these competitions will be getting into the different level. We have the target to get the pro card, and definitely I am sure that she will get it.
This is something coming up from your coach is more exciting, and what do you feel about this?
I'll definitely work towards it. I'll give my 101% according to as per my coach said. The first thing I learned from him is the higher you grow, the humbler you should be. So that is what he always keeps telling me, and that's what I'm trying to do also. So yeah, I will definitely work on. I just blindly follow him. I myself I don't think or I don't ask again why, whatever. You have to believe your coach, and this is a man behind me. And whatever I am today, and I'm here, this is what you're seeing is because of him. Completely because of him.
That we all can see the way you build the world. I think that you should have taken a lot of struggle in your life to come up with the stage.
Yes, definitely. I must say something. There were a lot of challenges in initial days. Now also, with a lot of challenges, she is doing workout. She is maintaining her diet. Lot of expenditure, as you know, that this bodybuilding field is very expenditure is too high. So to maintain all these things, she is maintaining very well. But behind the curtain, there are a lot of challenges. But she is overlooking them, and she is just growing and growing. So that is the thing which I hats off.
The dedication level and what she is giving. And to be very frank, today we are clicking the photos here at the shoot in your gym, and we are so happy to look at the output as well. And probably you will also see this very soon, all the photos coming up. And thanks for Razia for giving us this
Thank
opportunity.
you so much, Arvind.
And the more thing, I like to thank Mr. Remadri for
Thank you so
helping
much.
us and guiding me for what I'm supposed to do here on the fitness. And this is something what we are doing in We Bookmark on the fitness is something really new. And this is our second shoot again on Athlete. Thank you so much, and thank you guys so much.
Thank you so much, Arvind. Thank you so much.
Thank you.